Welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of a new work week, where a cold front leaves behind some morning rain over the far southern part of South Africa and then spreads that chance of rainfall all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal later on in the day. Isolated thundershowers are expected mainly over the northeastern and eastern interior, with a sunny and hot day on Monday for the Northern Cape, and we're forecasting windy conditions over the southwestern parts. Here's our rainfall probability map with a band of isolated showers and thundershowers extending over parts of the northwest, Limpopo and the eastern Free State, as well as Gauteng, Mpumalanga and the interior part of KZN, with a 40% chance of rainfall along the east coast, and then of course that slight chance of morning rain still from the southern Cape coastline all the way through to the eastern Cape. You'll see a hot day for Uppington with a maximum temperature of 38 degrees on Monday afternoon, in the mid-30s for Kimberley and Vredendal, warm for Cape Town at 27, but mild for George and Port Elizabeth at 23 degrees. Johannesburg, Polokwane and Mbombela all top 25, 30 degrees as we head into Mahikeng, and a high of 28 along the east coast. Along the west coast, moderate beach conditions are expected except for in Namaqualand, where good beach conditions are forecast, and that's due to a moderate southeaster. Fresh winds are forecast along the rest of the coast, with a southerly wind for Langoban and more of a southeaster for Alexander Bay, with a 4-metre southwesterly swell and wave heights between 8 and 10 feet. A very windy day in the southwest, particularly over False Bay, with wind speeds of around 50 kilometres per hour. A fresh southeaster is forecast for Cape Agulhas, so moderate beach conditions there, and a large swell of 4 metres from the southwest, with wave heights between 8 and 10 feet. Good beach conditions are expected along the south coast on Monday, with a southeasterly wind of around 25 kilometres per hour for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, more of a southwester for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with a 3.5-metre southwesterly swell and wave heights between 6 and 8 feet. Moderate beach conditions are expected along the east coast, with a fresh southwesterly wind for East London and the Wild Coast, and a moderate southerly wind with the possibility of rain for Durban and Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 2-metre easterly swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Monday.